I am incredibly bullish on the transformational impact that AI will have on our ecosystem. And I think if there was an ecosystem that ever could be impacted and have impact for the world, it is life sciences. And why is that? It's because the data sets are incredibly large, but incredibly complex. And so I think there is little doubt that people agree that AI will have this profound impact on drug discovery and new materials and even on climate. I think the argument now is the time frame that takes place. Is it 1 year? Is it 2? Is it 5? Or is it 10? But I don't think there's any doubt it's actually going to change drug discovery. But there are many things that need to take place in order for that to happen. So that's what we're working on at Dotmatics. And number one is the challenge of data and breaking down all of these data silos that exist within discovery, that exist within biotech and biopharma companies. Because until you can pull that data together, until you can harness it, until you can structure it, until you can put metadata on top of it, you actually have very little hope of ever using AI, because AI needs data that's trusted, that's complete, that can be put large language models on top of. And that's where we are today, right? So we're at the beginning of the process, but it is going to happen. I really, really believe it will absolutely happen, and the impact it will have on drug discovery will be transformational. So I think the thing I'm most excited about as Dotmatics is a new product that we're coming to market with called Luma. And Luma is aimed directly at that need that all of our customers are saying they have, which is how do we get to this multimodal AI-assisted future? Luma is the way that you do that. It is what breaks down all of these data silos, from our software products to instruments to third-party applications. It layers them together in a data-first way, but also exposes the workflows to scientists on top of that data-first endeavor. And so Luma is really, really exciting, because once you have the data structured in Luma the way that it needs to be structured, you can actually think about large language models. You can start to actually draw generative and predictive insights off of it. And there is no doubt that we can do that today, and Luma is what's leading us into the future.